Hi, it's Marcy. I know that I overwork. I love teaching, studying, and practicing yoga. I also love spending time with my family and cooking. If with my studio's yoga classes being online, there's more time needed for learning and using technology. But yoga has the techniques I need to have ample energy, a clear mind, and a cool and calm nervous system. Beyond postures and pranayama, meditation is my connection to my higher self. Daily I meditate, turning my river of energy around and going within. The distractions quickly fade away, my focus erases the impulse to multitask, and I begin feeling more peace, joy, and love. In meditation, I never feel like I'm alone. I embrace the comfort of being with our Divine Mother, and my husband says that the only time I'm not getting into trouble is when I'm meditating. In my 200-hour yoga teacher training, I teach authentic yoga meditation practices that are simple and quick to learn. Anahata is still a baby and gets into trouble. She isn't expected to do meditation. So we try to make sure that she feels loved and never alone.